Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Deepseek API absolutely for free. No credit card, no complex setup. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just curious about building AI powered apps, this API gives you access to powerful large language models just like ChatGPT, and is completely open and easy to use. I will walk you through how to sign up, get your free API key, and start making requests to generate text using tools like Postman, and we'll be using React.js for this. Let's dive into it, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to send prompts and get smart responses with just a few lines of code. So to get started, you head over to openrouter.ai. Yes, let me just clear this off. Yes, this is how the interface looks like. You can see I'm currently logged in, but you can sign up for free. There's no payment required. Let's explore some features. And okay, this is where you can search for the models like Deepseek R10. You see, this is a free model. Remember that paid model and free models that OpenAI offers. Now we want us to look for just Deepseek R1 itself. That's Lima, what WhatsApp uses. So this Deepseek R1 free. This is what I currently want us to use. Now let's go to the API section. That is it. This is the code. This is an OpenAI package. It's compatible with Deepseek. Now this is the TypeScript. Since we are using React.js, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, so it's going to go well with it. Now we'll click create an API key. To create an API key, we just need to create a key. This is an existing key I've had, but we'll just create a new one. Create key. Now we'll give the name to anything. It can be free, and create a key. Just now copy this key, and you know that if you lost this key, you cannot find it again. So you copy it. You head over to your studio. Yes, you create an env file. You put it in your credentials. You put this API key and go to your component. Now this is the main component that we'll be using. The search field and the button, and as you can see, we are using the OpenAI package. I said it's compatible with Deepseek. So we use an OpenAI package. This is the importation. Now we create an object. To install this is npm install OpenAI. Now we import the API key and we set the base URL. I'll take you later to the code to see the URL again, the base URL. And then we set dangerously allow browser to true. Don't bother about the code. If you can get it from the link in the description below. Now we create a function to ask question. This is the function that sends the request, and as you can see, this is where we actually send the request. As you can see, we send the request here, and you have to also take care of one important thing: the model of the request. So I'll show you also in the code. You can get the model from it. This is just a simple search field and a button that you can get from anywhere. You can just write something simple and just add the function. You can get the entire code from my website in the link below. So that is it. Now let me show you the code, how they look like here. That was in API. Yes, this is the code. This is the one I usually OpenAI, but it is instead Python. So let me go for TypeScript. For TypeScript, you can see things like model. Here's where you can get the model. This model, and you can get the model. Yes, and now you can have the base URL here. This is completely, the base URL for this is slightly different. Notice that. Now the issue with this is that you might encounter calls issue if you fetch directly from a normal JavaScript. So back to the code editor, let's start our server. So as you obviously see, you can do this in any language. Just let me know in the comment the language you're using, and if you're facing any difficulties, I will assist you. You can do this in Python, Curl, and any JavaScript framework. So let's visit this. Wow, this looks good. So let's just try hello. Say thinking. No response available. Okay, so I think this is if you look keenly at the code, this is just a block of code, a line I added to make sure if there's a network failure or something, you should know at least something to say. So let's try this again one more time. It worked. Hello, how can I assist you today? So it's actually working. So what is AI? Thinking. Now I think my internet connection is slightly poor, that's why. Artificial intelligence refers to a simulation of human intelligence in machines or software. So as you can see, it's working. Now we can use we can format this text. You can get the response and format them. Notice that you have asterisks and hashtags at certain places. So you can, if you want to format it into a beautiful looking UI, you can drop your comments below so that we can work on it. So what do you think about AI in the future? Let's get this on insight. Thinking. So this is just so basic. With optimizations, you could do something great. This is just something so basic. I haven't spent time to optimize anything yet, but it's giving response. As you can see, everything is okay. Now in the next video, please make sure you subscribe to this and hit the notification bell so that you can get update on our next video. We'll actually be building this tailored to a particular company, like a petroleum company want to be a chatbot, a large language models that will know only things about petroleum and that could be good in petroleum itself. So we have a lot of things we are going to be working on. We'll probably format this to have a beautiful looking UI. So just let us know where you're watching from and what you need. So this is working great so far, and just so we know, the aim of this is not to compete with other large LLMs like ChatGPT or Deepseek. No, the aim of this is to build a unified system, a system that is well knowledgeable enough on one aspect, and this is possible. Now there's also something we could do, structured prompt engineering. Like for example, many users don't know how to prompt large language models. What if you could generate your prompt on your own site and just ask the user to give a keyword, and then you structured it with a prompt to actually prompt the model? That's going to be so accurate, and many users face these difficulties. Now doing this could be tailored just to a single thing. Let's say you run a phone review website for affiliate marketing. You could just talk about phones, and stay tuned for this, because we'll be moving on to other unified systems. We'll be building other systems like chatbots that are just peculiar about a particular company, and we're going to make use of all of these, down to petroleum industries and a lot of services. So as you can see, it's working great. It's working great. Now this is just the free one, so think of what you can do with the paid version. And this is basically free, as in free. You can use it. Believe me, I've been using this for one of my tools review site, so you can use it. And if you have any difficulties working with it, you can let me know. And remember that also you can do this in any language. If you face difficulties, just let us know. We have a team of people that can do this better and better. Okay guys, see you in our next video.